just love it when you go to the store and you want to buy like a pillow, and you go in to buy it, it's like 39 bucks, and then you're there and it says 2 for 1. Well, look down here, 2 for 1. Should I get that ball? Sounds like a kid's gonna play with it. I'm getting the ball. Oh, there's a little piggy. Got it. 4 pieces of plastic. Now you see it. Now you don't. Just because it's clear doesn't mean it's not here. Pick it up, people. That stuff is nastier than it looks, even though it's transparent. I saw it. Did the last person who walked by here see it? Too much to ignore. Haha, perfect. Right out of a fish's belly. Worth it right there. All fish food. Fish should eat that stuff up, no problem. There you go. Bunch of straws, a lighter. Blue. Oh, finally. Is it a ring? Yeah, sweet. Lighter in a ring today. Totally worth it. I don't even care about the KFC cup. Oops. Dropped the ring. Look at this stuff. Straw. You can see what I'm up to. You can see what we're up against. Lighter in a ring. That was worth it right there. When you run by here, or you walk your dog by here, pick these up. Might as well do a little update while I'm at it. 14, 15 bottles. And I got one here right at my feet. Gonna go drop these off. Wouldn't be the elephant effect if I didn't at least grab that bottle. I'm going to drop them off anyways. I'll leave a little bit there for my viewers to pick up. Let's do a bottle count. Sorry, I had to get a V8. Man, oh man, I didn't even want to do this much today. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. You got to pick it up before it gets out into the wind, people. Man, if I had a nickel for every bottle I picked up, I could buy myself a tea. That's why I do this, so I can stop and have a tea. Is it possible that I have a favorite plastic? Yes, it is. It's right at my feet. Second plastic ring of the day. I'll try not to lose it. I think I'm at 17 bottles. I'm a filmmaker.